Welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to report a pin on the Pinterest app on your PC, focusing on the latest update to make sure you get it done quickly and easily. First, start by opening the Pinterest app on your computer. Once you're on the home page, scroll through your feed until you find the pin that you want to report. It could be anything that goes against Pinterest's rules or something you simply feel needs attention. After you've found that pin, click to open it fully so you can see all the details. Now, look for the three dots icon, which you'll find at the top right corner of the pin. This is where Pinterest hides some of the more advanced options to keep things neat. Click on those three dots and a small menu will pop up. From the menu, select the option that says Report Pin. This is your first step in flagging content that doesn't belong or is inappropriate. Once you hit Report Pin, Pinterest will ask you to choose a reason for your report. This could range from spam, misinformation, harmful content, or other policy violations. Pick the option that best fits your concern to make sure your report is clear and accurate. Next, click Next to proceed. This final step will give you a quick review before you officially send your report. Once you're sure everything looks right, click Report to submit your feedback to Pinterest. That's all there is to it. Reporting pins helps keep the Pinterest community safe and enjoyable for everyone. Just remember, it's important to report content thoughtfully and only when truly necessary. Thanks for watching.